Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today is a day that I have set aside to finish cleaning my closet. I need to go through and clear out all of the excess shoes, sandals, boots, all of those sorts of things that I've been putting off for quite some time. I'm glad you're here to join me. It really encourages me and inspires me to get going and finish my closet decluttering. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. I have been putting this shoe declutter off for far too long. I think the reason is I don't enjoy shopping for shoes or buying shoes. I have one foot that I broke a while back, and I never got it properly taken care of. I thought it was just injured and it would get better on its own. Later, I realized it was actually broken. So occasionally I have trouble with my foot, and therefore I don't wear high heels or any shoes like that any longer. My foot can get very uncomfortable very easily, so therefore I opt for comfortable shoes. And once I find them, I tend to hang on to them for quite some time. I had no idea I owned so many shoes until I gathered them up and put them all in one location. Up above here, I have extra shoes and slippers that are dressy shoes and comfortable shoes. When I find a pair I like, I tend to buy 2 or 3 in the same exact pattern, because that way I'll have them when the other ones wear out. If you're not sure where to begin, like me, just go ahead and start in on the easiest things first. I have this pair of sandals that are really worn out. It's time to throw these away. Even though they're very comfortable, they look really worn out, and I don't need to keep these any longer. This is another easy choice. These were my walking shoes, and they were very uncomfortable, and now I have a new pair, so I can let these go. They're still in good condition. However, I'm done with this pair. I'll donate these. I have this pair of boots, and they're okay. They're nice and comfortable, but they're so heavy. I don't enjoy putting these on because they really weigh a lot, and I feel like they really weigh me down when I put them on. I have that same exact pair of boots in brown, and I just don't enjoy wearing these either just because of the sheer weight of these boots. I really like lightweight shoes, and these are extremely heavy. I have 2 more pair of boots up here on the top, and I'll get to these in just a little while. I'll set some of these shoes aside because I know these shoes fit and I really enjoy wearing them. And I have a new pair of sandals here that I got to replace the black ones. And another new pair here that are in really nice condition because they're new, and new walking shoes. I have a couple more pair of shoes here that I really enjoy wearing. Some new tennis shoes to replace the old ones. I think the best thing to do with this shoe rack is just start going down the line and taking off the shoes that I'm not sure about. I'll take them out and try them on and see how they fit and wonder why I'm keeping them when I don't even wear them. I know this pair of shoes fits very well, and they're so comfortable. I'll definitely keep these. These shoes are great and they're very comfortable. On to the next shelf. Shoes fit great. I really like these. We only have 3 pair of shoes left from 2 of these shelves. Let's move on to the next row. These are very comfortable. I'll definitely keep these. Moving right along. I really like these. They are so comfortable. I know these are really comfortable too. I wear these often to church. This is a new pair of shoes I got for church as well. They're super comfortable. On to the next row. I know I love these shoes, and I love wearing them. Another pair of shoes that I really enjoy. I'm not sure about these shoes. I've never worn these. I forgot I even own these. However, they're very comfortable. This is another pair of tennis shoes that I know I really like. They're very comfortable and they're new. I love wearing these shoes often for walking. I'll put them right here where it's easy to get to. I really like this pair of shoes. They're new and I can easily get to these. This is a really comfortable pair of mules that my husband got me. They're suede and they're so comfortable. I love wearing these in the wintertime. I've had this pair of boots for a while. I just don't think I'm going to wear them anymore. I don't need to keep them. I really like this pair of cozy tennis shoes. They're such a pretty color and they're super comfortable. I'll make sure I definitely keep these. I'll put this new pair of shoes on the shelf. Then when the other pair start to get a little bit dirty or worn, I'll throw those away and I'll have this new pair ready to go. The same with these white shoes. I'll have this new pair on the shelf for when the other ones get dirty or need to be thrown out. The same with the black pair. I cannot even believe how many pairs of shoes and boots we've already gathered up to donate. Now that we've gone through all of these shoes, it's time to get up here and take down all of these shoes up above. I'll take them down and then we'll go through them and see what we're going to keep and what we're going to donate. Look at all these shoe boxes with all these shoes. I cannot wait to get through these and decide once and for all what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. Now that I have all of my shoes off the top shelf, I'm going to go ahead and dust it. This is the perfect time to just take a minute and get this shelf clean and dusted. I'll start off with this pair of shoes. It's just like several other pair that I've gotten rid of. However, I've never worn this pair yet. I've held on to these sandals for quite some time, thinking if I ever go on a beach vacation, I'll take these with me. However, I never wear them, and I don't even take them when I go on vacation, so I think I can let these go. I don't wear these water shoes either. Oh, I guess not. They still have the tag on them. This is a pair of dressy sandals that I wore at my daughter's wedding. I really like these sandals. However, I don't think I'll ever be wearing these again. For once, I'm being very honest with myself about my shoes and sandals and boots. It's time for me to be honest and just remind myself that I may not be wearing these. I haven't worn them in a long time, and I probably won't be wearing them again. I wore these shoes to a military event, and I've already gotten rid of the dress that I bought to wear with these shoes, so there's no point in keeping these shoes either. You may remember I mentioned boots earlier. I have these boots that are suede and wool. They're really warm. However, I live in the desert, and I don't ever wear boots like this. I thought I could wear them on a cold winter day. However, when it comes to those type of days, I usually choose to wear something else. These boots are so cozy and warm, and they're really nice. They have a great grip on the bottom. I bought these when I lived in Germany, and I wore them often. However, I don't live in a cold climate anymore, and I never wear boots like this. No matter how comfortable they are, I just don't think I'm going to be needing these boots anymore. Here is a bin of my favorite shoes. I must have purchased these extra ones when I found them on sale. I'll just put these back up on the shelf to keep for later. Here is a bin I have with some sandals that I purchased and I've never worn. I really don't think I'm going to wear these. I think this style is gone out, so I'll put these here to donate. This last year, I found slippers that I really love. I had a pair and I wore them and enjoyed them so much. They're so comfortable. And whenever I found these on clearance at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or HomeGoods, I just purchased these slippers and got some extra ones for when they wear out. I'll just put the lid back on this bin and put it back up on the shelf. I threw my old slippers away and I'll put this new pair right here just so I'll have them handy when the weather gets cold. Here is another bin with some more of my favorite shoes. My goodness, I think I'll be wearing these shoes the rest of my life. And here are some sandals that I've never worn. I'll try these on and see if they're comfortable enough to keep. I'll put this bin up on the shelf. Another pair of dress shoes. I know these shoes fit great. They're brand new. I really like these. I'll get rid of these cardboard boxes. I hate having these in my closet. They always gather dust and they always look messy. I cannot believe I eliminated all of those extra pairs of shoes and boots and all of the extra boxes. I purchased these really nice big acrylic boxes at Walmart. They were such a good deal. But I cannot believe how many pair of shoes I've gotten rid of. Look at all of these, and I have 2 big empty boxes left, not to mention all of the cardboard boxes that I've taken out of my closet as well. I have no idea why on earth I had all of these shoes and I was saving them. For what reason, I just don't know. I was afraid of making a mistake by getting rid of them. However, I've had them for so many years and haven't worn them, so I'm certain that I will not be wearing them. I ask myself the tough question, if I was shopping in the store right now, would I buy this pair of shoes or would I just walk away and leave them? I am certain I wouldn't have bought any of these shoes again. Are they comfortable? No, not really. Even if they are, they're big and bulky and clumsy, and I don't want to wear big, bulky, clumsy shoes or shoes with a high heel or anything that's uncomfortable. I am so happy and proud that I'm able to let all of these shoes go, and now my shoes are so nicely organized. I have plenty of room up on the top, but I don't plan on buying any more shoes until I actually need another pair. I don't think that'll be anytime soon. I'll wear these shoes and enjoy them, and when they're worn out, I'll just throw them away. When I need another pair of slippers, I'll just grab a pair from up on top the shelf. Now it's time to get these shoes packed up to take to the donation center. I always love to take a wipe and clean my shoes down before I drop them off for donation. I have all the shoes lined up and ready to start cleaning. All of the boots and shoes and sandals are all cleaned up and ready to donate. I came up with 28 pair to donate. I'm so happy to get these out of my house. I'm going to get them loaded in my car and get them to the donation center right away so that I won't second guess any of them and I won't have them sitting around my house. The sooner I get them dropped off, the better. Well, we did it. I'm so happy to have that task completed. And now my closet is nice, neat, and orderly. I know I can grab out any pair of shoes or boots in my closet and put them on and wear them and enjoy them. They all fit properly. They're very comfortable. And I'm really happy with everything I have organized left in my closet. I will be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And be sure to come back for many, many more decluttering and organizing videos. I'll see you next time.